Let's see. Hello, today we're going to do Module 7, Lesson 14. Our objective is that we're going to determine the perimeter of regular polygons and rectangles when whole number measurements are missing. So basically we have to use what we know about regular polygons in order to find the perimeter. Okay, here we go. First we'll start with our application problem. Of course I'm all excited because it's all about fencing. Here we go. A rectangular sheet pin measures 5 meters long and 9 meters wide. The perimeter of the cow pin is double the perimeter of the sheet pin. What is the perimeter of the cow pin? Okay, so first we have to find the sheet pin. And then the next step, step 2, will be to figure out what the cow pin is. Okay, so step 1. First thing I'm going to do is the sheet pin. Alright, so I'm going to draw me a picture. It's rectangular. That's nice and easy. It is 5 meters long, 5 meters by 9 meters wide. Okay, so what do we know about this perimeter? Well, I know that this side is equal to this side. So this is going to be 5 meters. I know that this side and this side are equal, so this will be 9 meters. Now I'm going to add it up. Now I know 5 plus 5, I can go 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, I know that this is 10. I know that this is 18. 18 plus 10 is 28, and my label is meters. Okay, so this is what the sheet pin is. Now, what's the cow pin? The cow pin is going to be double that. Okay, so now I'm going to do step 2. Cow pin. So essentially it's going to be 28 plus 28. Okay, well 8 plus 8 is 16. And I have 5. So the cow pin is, whoops, I forgot to leave a space. Oh, still erasing. There we go. The cow pin is 50, cow pin perimeter. Now let's say the perimeter of the cow pin. Okay, try this again. The perimeter of the cow pin is, I like this better, 56 meters, period. That's kind of fun. I like fencing. Okay, next. Now let's talk about regular polygons. What is the rule about regular polygons? The rule is that all the sides have to be the same length, right? Okay, so if this is 3 centimeters, then this will be 3 centimeters, this will be 3 centimeters, this will be 3 centimeters, and all the way around, right? Okay. Well, let's say I already know that. Was there a way I can find it out faster than writing it all around and adding it up? Sure there is. It's called multiplication. Makes our life easier. First of all, how many sides does this polygon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, has an X, which means it is a hexagon. Has 6 sides. Ooh. 6 sides. Oh, I knew that would happen. Okay, pointer. There we go. Has 6 sides. Okay, now, if it has 6 sides, I can multiply my 6 sides by the length. That's 3 centimeters. 6 times 3 is 18. My perimeter is 18 centimeters long. Okay? So use what you know. Multiply the sides by the length given. Okay, but what if you have a situation like this? Ooh, okay, let's see what the deal is with this. Well, this is a rectangle. So I know that opposite sides are going to be equal. Okay, so here we go. So 2 feet over here, it's going to be 2 feet over here. 39 inches up here is going to be 39 inches here. Wait a minute. I've got inches and feet. What am I going to do about that? Well, let's change something. Let's either change them to inches or let's change them to feet. Okay, well, I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay? If that's the case, I wonder how many feet I have in this. Well, 12 times what will get me close to 39? Well, let's see. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. Well, I can't use this one because it goes over. Can I use this? Okay, so if I use this, this would be 3 feet. 3 feet, how many inches? Well, 36, 39, take away 36 will give me 3 inches. So this would be 3 feet, 3 inches. Okay, so this is also going to be 3 feet, 3 inches. Okay, now let's add them up. Here we go. 3 feet, 3 inches plus, so we can put this in parentheses if that helps. 3 feet, 3 inches plus 2 feet plus this 2 feet. What does that equal? Okay, well 3 feet plus 3 feet is 6 feet. Okay, so we're adding this part up right here. This is 6 feet. And how many inches? 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 inches plus, how much is this? 2 plus 2 is 4 feet. Okay, so 4 feet. Okay. Now let's add up our feet. Okay, so our feet. Here we go. 10 feet. And we don't have any inches over here, so we can just call it 6 inches. Now, how many inches in a foot? There's 12 inches in a foot. 6 is what of 12? Well, if I divide 12 by 2, I get 6. So 6 inches is half 12, right? Okay. Okay, now this is a little harder than what you're going to see in your homework, but it's kind of fun. All right. So really, I can say that 6 inches equals half. Oh, darn it. Here we go. Come back. Okay. Doesn't like it when I touch my picture. Okay, clear, clear, clear. Try it again. 6 inches is half a foot. Okay, here we go. So if that's half a foot, I can say that this is 10.5 feet is my perimeter. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 10.5 feet. Now this is harder than what you're going to be seeing. When you're not going to be seeing feet and inches, but just in case you ever did, you can change it. Now I can do it a different way. Now I changed them all to feet, right? So what if I change them all to inches? Well, I get 10.5 feet. So I know that my answer is 10.5 feet. I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. Now let's see what we do. Okay, so we know that this is 2 feet. And this is 39 inches. Okay, so let's change this to inches. If 1 foot is 12 inches, what's 2 feet? Well, that would be 12 plus 12. So that's going to be 24 inches. And then this would be 24 inches. Okay, now let's add it up. We have 24 plus 24 plus 39 plus 39. Okay, now let's see how many inches that is. Okay, 24 plus 24. Now if it was 25, I would have 50. So 2 less would equal 48. Okay, now this one, 9 plus 9 is 18. I'm adding another 10. So 3, 6, 7. So I'm thinking that that's 78, but I'm going to just double check. Let's see. 18, carry my 10, yep, 78, good, I did a good job. Okay, now, I need to add this up. 48 plus 78. Now, I'm going to try to do it in my head. 8 plus 8 is 16, but I'm going to carry my 10, so then I would have 4 plus 7 is 11, add one more, it'd be 12. So I think it's going to be 126, so let's see. 16, 12, sure enough, I did it right. Okay. Now, Even though I did it in my head, I still showed my work, especially when I checked, just to make sure. Now, 126 inches. Okay, now let's change that to feet. Okay. So, 1 foot is 12 inches. Now, I think I can take this apart and have 120 plus 6. Now, 120, if I divide that by 12, all I'm going to be left with is 10. So 120 divided by 12 gives me 10. Okay, so that's going to give me 10 feet plus 6 inches. And what did we remember about 6 inches? 6 inches is the same as 1/2 of a foot. So that would give me 10.5 feet. Okay, so I can either give the answer as 10.5 feet, or I can give the answer as 126 inches. Wow, how hard and crazy is that? That's kind of fun. Kind of neat how I can do it 2 different ways. I can either do it in inches or I can do it in feet and get the same answer, and it means the same thing. Isn't that amazing? All right, now, granted, this is a little bit harder than what you're going to be seeing in your homework. Homework's a little easier. You're not going to have feet and inches. You'll have either feet or inches. But it's good to know what to do in case you ever see feet and inches. All right, good luck. I'll see you soon.